Hello! Let's create a personalized non-profit app to start streamlining your organization's data collection and management processes. Embed forms directly into your website or share via social media. First, let's go to our template gallery. This is where you can find ready-to-use templates, which you can easily edit to fit your particular needs. To add a template to your workspace, click Edit this template. Let's add the speaker nomination tracking app. And now I will show you 3 different types of donation forms that you can customize and add to your tracking app and show you how you can easily embed the forms to your website. This is the donation form with a variable amount. To make a donation form with variable values, edit your Formaloo and add a number field there so your donor can enter their desired amount as the donation amount. Then click on the Logic tab, and from the Advanced Logic page, find your donation amount field. Set a condition on the amount field to always add the entered amount to the price variable. The price variable is a system default field type that indicates the final payable amount of your form. So by setting the value of the amount field in it, your form's payable amount will be assigned automatically as the donor is filling out the form. Your condition should be something like the following: always plus add donation amount to price. Great! Now let's see the donation form with a flexible amount. To make a donation form with a flexible amount, you can use the product field and add a specific value to donate, so your clients can pay a specific multiple of that number. Then turn on the form with payment in the Setting tab and choose your payment method. Your form will automatically redirect to the payment gateway. And finally, let's now see the donation form with a fixed amount. To set a fixed donation amount on your form, all you should do is edit your form, go to the Settings tab, and enter the fixed amount in the Fixed Payment Amount number box. That's it! When you're ready to publish your forms and embed them to your website, click Save, Use on Website, and from here you can add it to your website as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Don't worry though, you don't need to understand programming to make it work. Just copy the code that Formaloo gives you and paste it into your website, and it starts to work right away. Now let's head over to our speaker nomination tracking app to categorize and organize your collected data. Add a menu to your app and easily create a Kanban board categorized by the status of your leads. Every new response on your survey will automatically show up in your pipeline, and your sales team can follow up on them right away. And the status is an admin-only field that is only visible to the admins, and your quiz takers will know about it. Customize your pipeline board with the fields that you want visible on the cards, and quickly update the lead status and tag them for future reference. Then build an app to categorize and organize your leads. You can even build a custom CRM and pipeline to track your interactions with your leads. You will also get immediate insights into the responses through charts and visualizations. Just add a new page to your app and choose Charts or Advanced Charts. Advanced Charts help you compare fields and build advanced custom visualizations on your data. You don't need to be a data expert to get insights from your data anymore. And that's it! Create custom forms for donation collection, volunteer sign-up, and event registration, as well as create applications to serve as a platform for supporters to engage with the organization. With Formaloo surveys, the things that you can achieve are endless. This is a tool that will make you want to do more for your customers, whether it's building forms and polls from scratch, or tracking the responses to keep in touch with your customers in a better way. Say goodbye to all of those unorganized duplicate data in multiple applications and say hello to Formaloo. Happy Formalooing!